kids. Wait until the ride stops complete. Remember to hold on to your things. And don't forget to keep your safety strap fastened at all times. For your safety, do not rock the gondola. Remember, keep your hands and legs inside the ride at all times. Remain seated until the ride stops completely. Hope you have a nice ride. Please don't stand, kids. Wait until the ride stops completely. Hi, kids. Welcome to the exciting Stone Egg. Remember to hold on to your things. And don't forget to keep your safety strap fastened at all times. For yours.
Bye-bye! Yay! Yan, 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 yan! Bakit? Wala, hindi po. Oh, yan ang start!
Kami gini.
Nakunan? Nakunan ba? Maganda ha? Yee! Ang tili mo! Nasa paliwanag! Hey! Ewan.
Ha? Ano?
Kaparangan na jogging pants namin.
EBS? EBS?
Baka ano, evangelical. Ganon! Mama, ayoko na! Ay, wala yan, mainit! Meron? Hindi ko nga makita. Wala nga, mainit! Ay, video pala lang. Ba't na to eh? Oh, Lola, dali! Akyat doon! One, two, three. Okay. Mami, tara. Nagkano pa rin. Kaming dalawa. Mauli. Tayong dalawa.
Oo.
Sila ang magkakasama.
Oo, ano?
O sige, kahit tatlo tayo na lang huli.
Oo.
O sige. Ayaw ako nga. Silang dalawa tayo tatlo. O sige. Wala ko yun. Sige, silang dalawa.
Ay, nakapag...